Yeah, let me say a prayer ngithandazela igazi. Let me say a prayer ngithandazela igazi. Let me say a prayer ngithandazela igazi. Shy 16 kuvuke nabaphansi. Let me say a prayer ngithandazela igazi. Let me say a prayer ngithandazela igazi. Yebo nyavuma amakhosi labafana bawiki incosi. What's the live, what's the life, what's the live, what's the life? Back again with another video, back again with another reaction. We're about to do the Twiza show featuring, is it Reptile? Yeah, I don't know what's it pronounced, but we're about to check it out. If you are new to this channel, please like, share, subscribe, do the most without any waste of time. And don't forget to copy your Kasi Tales merch. The order number is in my description, so let's not waste time. Let's go!
This is your boy Twiza from the Twiza Show, and we are talking about the Twiza Show Music Festival. Catch us on the 6th of December. Jobona, it's a garden picnic hip hop party, so come through, have some fun. See you there.
Yeah, no, hey, I get Twiza. Kimandi money, I link that's a song. Get Twiza. Maramajita, Vela Lisho. Get Twiza. Barry get Twiza. Wiser, ex-womanizer.
Let's go!
Ayoba. Namhlanje siphethe zasekasi baba. Haha. Twiza Show baba. Haha. Awuthini qale ngokhruta amajimbos nabo sister igamo Twiza wa izolo mabani and Hester kuzoba mnandi pha when I'm behind these bars like Bester. Flow was so sick ngathi ama lyrics ane kanker, taking shots at rappers like Double Torch Jägermeister. They're flopping like niggas window shopping kungana fester. We kill it with the vocals cause you know local is their care. Utwala mamela magungena le clever Leicester.
Lolo Reptile i-outlet dume ngama-bars ngizalo lethembisi kasel dume ngama-stars akhona namanyori i-outels dume ngama-scars mara mina ngihlukanga ne-uber ngidume lonke ikasi awuthi ngenza umhlolo
Mara mina ngihlukanga ne-Uber ngidume lonke ikasi.
mara mina ngihlukanga ne-uber ngidume lonke ikasi awuthi ngenza umhlolo njengomuntu ozala inkomo manje kurapha mina ngicela nivule indlebe nivala umlomo. The aim is not the fame ngifudumeza igame ngifake iflame ngicela ningangiblame
I wanna pay my respects. The way you flowing akhona eswatra cypher was tighter. The niggas who made it in the game got connect. When I check, you're not just a time I walk rhymer, you're a freestyler, reptile like a styler, sakasi and flex. I heard your brother put you on to rap and even wrote your lyrics. But when you got older, your shoulder got colder than critics. Mongena Wuna Cypher, you know to handle your business. How does it feel to be known as Timbisa's illest in the shizness?
Shout out to my brother ngokungifundisa rap nami ngaconcentrate strong njenge-student ye-vets manje ngumfundisi ngoba ngifundisa rap mangabe ingqondo igcwele iphansi woza ngikufundisa ijab ngasifana no-speaker
Mangabe ingqondo igcwele iphansi oza kufundisa ijab. There's no way.
ngikufundisa ijab ngasifana no-speaker baqala batwita bathi ngiyasika umzimba uwoma ikhanda liyashisa ngiyakuthemba niyangizwa noma nishoda ngespeaker nalesigubhu siyakhahlela ngisho insimbi
Tala ukhona la espacini ebusuku nemini chasing the same dream. It may seem ungathi yaskhiphila kule game ushoda ngani mhlambi platform to perform estagini or ama gatekeeper afuna ukhipha egate.
irap njenge-train ifuna isporo neplatform iskill isikhona iflow ikhona ngishoda ngeplatform ngihlale nginwaya ikhanda ngathi ngishoda ngetransport abantu kumele bezwe ngishisa ukudlula netransform
Ngiyakuzwa mpintshi ngithi harder unga
She's ukudlula ne-transform.
ngetransport abantu kumele bezwe ngishisa ukudlula netransform
ngiyakuzwa mpintshi ngithi harder ungana budget to do radio tours PR ukupush project tick the list on the bucket life in a lucky bucket mara upusha for jacket awusali target market cause ngapha nangapha impilo yakrapa ya trapa ya shapa slogo tapa and dibuwa tata you sing for your supper ngapha siyalamba how you make a living without uphanda ngenamba
ngitakataka uyazi life inamakhalakhala ifuna uhlala ukhali thathe slow njengenkalankala omunye uhlala khala indlela imnyama ijezi lebhakabhaka inyawo zigcwele udaka kahasile uhlala brush umkhala uvuka utheshe makuvuza upeshe ndungakhohlwa umndeni ukhona endlini ufuna ijeje ungavela ukuspende kumele kuqonde igwegwe akusiza ukudla imali ekuseni uphume
indlela. Little conversation about a situation that you were facing. Uthayifani watshontsha ingoma yakho on heavy rotation, and the occasion was when you met at a radio station.
Like finally, Kasi Rap makes it to the Twiza show. Like ikasi liphakeme, dog. Ikasi bayalizwa, dog. Ikasi liphakeme. Like it's about time. We're taking it back to the basics, back to basics, where it started. Dog.
And even the nation
Kasi Rap is being gatekept or being gatekept. Angisazi isilungu, ngiphume kasi.
complaining and contemplating frustration, insinuating you waiting to get in an altercation as protocol. I'm sharing a call about the case and what again. It was a pure coincidence, not imitation. Savage humiliation, debating what's your observation.
Ngizama ukukhuphula iflag omunye ungishontshela itrack ikhanda lispani ngoba uthi le track ayifani
Okay.
bafowethu angihlanye mhlawumbe ukutshontsha ispani mara mina ngiyazenzela ngoba ukutshontsha ispani athi ngiyekelisela before ngiyolala kumasela thina sikhule kuspini ihleba manje
Awuthi ngiyekelisela before ngilala kumasela. I have to break it down also. Awuthi ngiyekelisela. So they're talking about someone stealing his song. So isela, it's someone is a thief. So he's saying awuthi ngiyekelisela before ngilala kumasela, before I go in jail or angikwazi expect yo mawungaphuma ekasi ngiyakuzwela. Have to understand.
spina amafan iskili siyaphela abaskimers high bahlala basheka inhlek bahlalela ukuhleba
Okay, ngiringa nontanga ngale ndaba yakhe wathi yena ifi kune beef ni squash ufuna ukushaya ilidra enkambini nispane zokunika amanamba wakhe kuthi ni plane asivale mfana kundlula lana ingane ngwane singamoshi interview
Inganengwane. So which one? Which Zulu is this one?
having fun. There's reptile, there's rap style, there's textile. Really dope material. Twiza show, see you next time. Reptile baba. The Twiza show.
Legend.
Ay, ngiyabonga mpintshi man. Sure for coming through. Like and subscribe if you wanna see more.
Actually, who do you all guys want to see? Go to as a show. A Kasi Rap artist. I would like to see Duncan. I would like to see Maseveni. I would like to see Beast from Debeni. I would like to see Mickey M. Yo, wow, Mickey M. Ooh, Mickey M. Tembisa. Yeah, let me know. Please like, share, subscribe, do the most. Kasi Tales match out right now. Hit me up. I'll give you the details. Otherwise, we out of here. Away. Gee.